YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl TT Logan, and I'm back again with another video. So today I did this look right here. I was kind of trying to match my shirt as much as I could. So today I played around doing a first impressions on the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette in conjunction with Be Perfect and Stacey Marie. So my initial thoughts, like when I swatched everything and from the reviews that I saw other people doing, I was too excited to get this palette, y'all. I'm not gonna even sit up here and act like I wasn't, because I definitely was. But I love this palette so much. Like, the color payoff is there, the consistency is there. It's just that one shade that I wasn't thrilled about. Key lime. And a lot of other people said the same thing. Like, it just don't have a lot of payoff. But I'm so excited with how this turned out. Y'all, she gave. Okay, so I'm just going to start out with some P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. So first, I think I'm going to go into my Matte Bright palette from Beauty Bay and use this black. It's called Illicit right here, because it seemed to be like really, really dark. Yeah, that's dark, y'all. Make sure I bring it up high enough. This eyeshadow is so dark. Oh, I think I might have did too much over there. Okay, so let me just start with Reef. So let me tell y'all how I even found out about like Beauty Bay. I've been watching this girl in Scotland, and her YouTube name is Makeup by Melissa. The way she do her makeup is just freaking immaculate. I'm going into Tropics, and I'm gonna merge that between the black and the bluish green that I just put down. She do a lot of looks where she like drag her eyeshadow all the way around that corner and then she connect her blush to it. And I ain't gonna do all of that because, you know, everything don't fit everybody, but it be cute on her. Like, that's her signature move, y'all. But anyway, say all that to say this. She is how I basically wanted to get that pink Beauty Bay palette, because she was like raving about the pigment and everything. And then I started watching other people review it, and they were saying like the same thing. So when I saw it, it was actually on sale, y'all. I kid you not, it was like, I think $10 American money, and the shipping was like $6.50. So I hurry up and got that, and like I said in my previous video, it took about 2.5 weeks to get here, but well worth it. Like, look at that black. Right now I'm using my Love Tahiti palette, but that black out of the Beauty Bay, I can't wait to do a bunch of looks with that palette. I think I'm gonna take a little tiny brush like this, and I'm gonna pack on Lagoon first. I'm also still trying to work on not having my mirror in the way so that you can't see what I'm doing. I'm trying to keep this inside just a little bit more controlled. the Deep, which is like a navy blue, and I'm putting that kind of on top of the black. So doing these looks, it's just a lot of blending and going back and forth till things look the way that you want it to look. So taking some Tropics, and I'm gonna do that like I did the other blue. Just kind of press it in. Key lime, I don't think that, wait, I might be tripping. Let's see what key lime gonna do. It's doing a little bit, but not much at all. Louise base in 03. I'm gonna use this really light shade, and I think this one have like blue reflex, pink, gold. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm gonna put that in the middle part of my eye. Alright, so now going back into the Tahiti palette, I'm gonna go into Pink Lily. So I'm gonna go on top of the glitter and kind of fade this in. Okay, so after Pink Lily on the same brush, I'm gonna go into Magenta. Just put that beside Pink Lily. We're working our way down, y'all. This is a no-name like pencil brush. Okay. Black Beach, which is the black shade. And just kind of put that there. So now I'm gonna put a black eyeliner and some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm putting just a tiny little bit of eyelash glue, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to the center of my eyes using my finger, and just a little bit of some glitter I had already mixed from a previous makeup look. I wanna add some diamonds. It just kind of pulled it together, made it look a little bit nicer. I don't know, y'all, like sometimes I just don't be satisfied. I'm gonna go into the deep, and that was the blue, the navy blue. I'm gonna put some of Lagoon on the inner part. Tropics, I'm gonna put on the other side. I'm gonna take some of Black Beach, but close to my eyelashes. I'm using Juvia's Place Cola. This liner is so smooth and soft. Now I'm gonna take my blushing beige. I believe this is from Milani. So that's how the lip is looking before I add my gloss. And I'm gonna do, I have a Revlon gloss here in shade 255. This looks like this. And I'm gonna do the Aaliyah gloss from the Christmas collection. Come on, Lil, let's see what we finna do. How that looks. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. Bear with me because I'm trying to be consistent. I know I say that every time I go away and come back, but yes, y'all, also go and subscribe to Makeup by Melissa. She is a, I want to say, Scotland based YouTuber, and I just recently found her. And I'm loving like her makeup techniques and stuff. I tried a few of them today myself, and you know, it did what it was supposed to do. And I really like learning from other YouTubers. Like everything that I learn from YouTube, you know. So each one teach one, y'all. And if y'all can learn a couple of things from me, you know, I would be honored just to know that. So if you learned a thing or two from me, let me know down in the comments. And like I say, let me know if you want to see anything in particular up next, and I'll try my best to get that out to you. And everybody be safe, stay blessed, and stay happy and positive. Tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends, because you know I can't go without telling y'all that.